Have you ever caught your cat sneaking a lick of your ice cream, or maybe sniffing curiously at your dessert bowl? It's a scene that makes many cat owners smile, and it's easy to imagine that your furry friend is just as enchanted by the sweet vanilla flavor as you are. But here's a surprising twist. Your cat isn't actually tasting the sugar at all. While we humans are drawn to the sugary goodness in our treats, cats experience the world of flavor in a completely different way. In fact, cats are one of the few mammals that are completely indifferent to sweetness. Their taste buds simply don't register sugar the way ours do. So, when you see your cat turning up their nose at a piece of cake or ignoring a sugary snack, it's not because they're picky. It's because they literally can't taste the sweet flavor. What really attracts them is the creamy fat in the milk, or the rich protein in dairy products. That's what their taste buds are tuned for. Fats and proteins, not sugars. This is a hidden truth about cats. Their sensory world is missing one of the most common and beloved flavors in the human experience. Imagine living in a world where chocolate, candy, and ice cream have no appeal at all. While we might crave a sugary treat after dinner, your cat simply doesn't experience that same desire. For them, the concept of sweetness is as foreign as a language they've never heard. That's because their tongues are wired differently. The taste receptors that detect sweetness in humans are missing in cats, so no sweet signals ever reach their brains. Their tongues are built for detecting the flavors of meat, fat, and protein, exactly what a true carnivore needs. So, when your cat seems interested in your dessert, it's not the sugar that's calling to them. It might be the creamy texture, the cool temperature, or the enticing smell of fat and protein that draws them in. Sometimes, it's just curiosity about what you're eating. For cats, the idea of sweetness simply doesn't exist. Their brains are not wired to seek out sugar, and they don't get any pleasure from it. So next time your cat eyes your snack or tries to sneak a taste, remember, they're not sharing your sweet tooth. They're just following their own natural instincts, searching for the flavors that matter to them. Understanding this simple fact helps us connect with our cats on a deeper level. It reminds us that their needs and desires are different from ours, and that's part of what makes them such unique companions. By knowing what truly appeals to our feline friends, we can be more thoughtful cat guardians, offering them the foods and experiences that make sense for their unique biology. Living with cats means discovering these little mysteries every day. Each quirk and curiosity is a window into their fascinating world, and that's just one of the many reasons why sharing your life with a cat is so endlessly fascinating. Why can't cats enjoy a sugary donut? It's all in their biology. Humans have taste buds for sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. Cats are missing the sweet ones. Imagine trying to tune into a radio station without the right frequency. The signal's there, but you can't hear it. Sweet molecules in food are like keys, but cats don't have the lock. No lock means no message to the brain, no taste of sweetness. This isn't a preference, it's genetic. A cat could be surrounded by the sweetest foods and never know it. They might notice texture or smell, but not the sugar. Their world of taste is focused on what matters for survival. They're not picky, they just have different sensory tools. For cats, delicious means rich in nutrients, not sugar. Their taste buds are tuned for the hunt, not the candy shop. For decades, scientists were baffled by a peculiar feline trait. Cats seemed completely uninterested in sugary treats. While dogs might beg for a cookie and humans can't resist a slice of cake, cats would simply turn up their noses and walk away. This odd behavior sparked curiosity and led researchers on a quest to uncover the biological reason behind it. In 2005, a breakthrough came when a team of scientists delved deep into the feline genome. By comparing cat DNA to that of other mammals, they finally uncovered the answer that had eluded experts for so long. It turns out that cats possess a gene called TAS1R2, which in most animals is responsible for building the sweet taste receptor on the tongue. But in cats, this gene is broken, rendered completely non-functional by a mutation. Imagine trying to bake a cake with a recipe that's missing a crucial page. No matter how hard you try, the final product just won't turn out right. In the same way, the instructions for making the sweet receptor are incomplete in cats, so the receptor never forms at all. Humans, on the other hand, have both genes needed to sense sweetness, allowing us to enjoy sugary flavors. But for cats, that missing genetic piece means the world of sugar is completely invisible. This genetic flaw means that cats can't taste sugar at all, not even a hint. To them, a bowl of sugar is as bland as a bowl of sand. The story of this broken gene stretches back millions of years to a time when the ancestors of modern cats were fierce hunters, surviving solely on meat. Since their diet never included fruit or sweet plants, there was no evolutionary pressure to keep the sweet receptor gene working. Over generations, it simply decayed and was lost. Evolution is ruthlessly practical. Traits that aren't needed fade away, like eyes in cave fish or wings in flightless birds. For cats, the ability to taste sugar was just another unnecessary feature. As obligate carnivores, cats rely entirely on meat for their nutrition. For them, tasting sugar serves no purpose at all. The broken TAS1R2 gene is like a genetic fossil, a silent witness to their long history as dedicated meat eaters. This discovery finally explained why, for centuries, cats have ignored cakes, candies, and cookies, no matter how tempting they look to us. So, the next time you see a cat turn away from a sweet treat, remember, it's not just being picky. Its DNA has programmed it for a sugarless existence. In every cell, their DNA tells the story of a true carnivore, uniquely adapted for a life without sugar. Humans crave sweetness for energy, but cats live in a different flavor universe. While we reach for sugary treats and desserts, cats simply don't understand the appeal. Their world of taste is shaped by their evolution as hunters, not gatherers. For cats, umami, the savory, meaty taste, is king. This is the flavor that excites their senses and makes their mouths water. It's no surprise, since their ancestors survived by hunting small animals, not by foraging for fruit. Their taste buds are tuned to protein and fat, not sugar. In fact, cats are one of the few mammals that completely lack the taste receptors for sweetness. To them, a juicy piece of meat is far more tempting than any sugary snack. Bitter and sour tastes help them avoid spoiled or toxic food. These flavors act as natural warning signs, guiding cats away from things that could make them sick. Their sense of taste is a built-in safety system. When you enjoy strawberries and cream, your cat ignores the berries and zeroes in on the fat in the cream. The rich, fatty part is what draws them in, not the sweetness that we love. Cake? They might sniff out the fat or protein, but the sweetness is lost on them. Even the most tempting pastries hold little interest unless there's a hint of meat or dairy. Dairy products, like cheese or butter, sometimes catch their attention because of the fat content, but sugary frosting or fruit toppings are ignored. Cats deconstruct food with senses built for hunting. Their sharp eyesight, keen sense of smell, and specialized taste buds all work together to help them find the most nutritious meals. Offering sugary snacks to cats misses the mark. They can't appreciate what we love. Instead, they're searching for the flavors that fueled their wild ancestors. A piece of cooked chicken is a true treat for them. The taste of real meat is irresistible, satisfying both their hunger and their instincts. Understanding this helps us make better choices for our pets. By offering foods that match their natural preferences, we support their health and happiness. Their sense of taste is a survival tool, not a source of variety. Unlike humans, cats don't seek out new flavors for fun. They eat what keeps them strong. For cats, delicious means meaty, not sweet. The more a food resembles their natural prey, the more they'll enjoy it. That's the real flavor of feline happiness. A satisfied cat, full of protein, purring contentedly after a meaty meal. This sugar blindness isn't just for house cats. It's shared by every feline, big or small. Lions, tigers, cheetahs, and leopards all have the same broken TAS1R2 gene. A tiger in the wild and your cat on the couch both live in a sugar-free world. Their diets are pure meat, no need for sweetness. Even if you offered a lion a lollipop, it wouldn't taste the sugar. This trait unites the entire cat family as obligate carnivores. Their bodies require nutrients only found in animal tissue. The inability to taste sugar is a perfect adaptation, not a flaw. Your cat is a miniature wild hunter, sharing instincts and senses with its wild cousins. Cats crave what their bodies need, protein and fat. Their taste buds are tuned to detect these vital nutrients. Umami signals protein, fat means energy. For cats, a meal rich in both is the ultimate reward. Their picky eating is actually smart, guided by survival instincts. They're not interested in novelty, just what keeps them strong. This explains why cats love butter, cheese, or meat drippings. Their senses detect the fat and protein, not the flavor variety. Understanding this helps us see their choices as logical, not odd. Their taste buds are tiny nutritionists, guiding them to what matters. That's the call of the carnivore. Ever notice cat treats are always meat, poultry, or fish-flavored, you won't find strawberry or chocolate treats for cats. That's because cats can't taste sweetness. Meaty flavors are what they crave. Pet food companies know this. Real meat or umami flavors make the best treats. The savory scent and taste appeal to their inner hunter. The best way to show your cat love? Offer a protein-rich snack. A piece of freeze-dried chicken is a delicacy to them. Sugary human treats are pointless and unhealthy. Always check for meat or fish as the first ingredient. Cat treats reflect their biology. Savory, not sweet. For cats, the taste of the hunt is the ultimate reward. The story of cats and sweetness is written in their DNA. Their world of flavor is built for survival, not indulgence. They're not missing out. They never knew sweetness existed. From lions to house cats, all felines share this sensory reality. Their taste buds prioritize umami and fat, the flavors of survival. Sweetness is a meaningless signal to them. Understanding this difference lets us care for them better. We learn to feed them what truly nourishes their bodies. This knowledge deepens our bond with these mysterious creatures. In the world of cats, sweetness is a myth, a flavor that never was. Their universe is rich with the tastes of protein and fat. When your cat purrs over a meaty treat, you're speaking their language.